headlines. Commander of KCP Nando Group T.H. Nando escapes from Jennings Hospital. Manipur House in New Delhi playing a big role in helping patients from Manipur. Myanmar army continue to evacuate militants of northeast from Myanmar. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News with me Mandira, and now the news in detail. Self-styled commander of the banned outfit KCP Nando Group, T.H. Nando, who was sent to jail in connection with the kidnapping and killing of Lunglina Elizabeth, a student of Little Flower School studying in Standard 3 in front of a school gate on November 4th of 2013, and later found her dead body in an open field at Tera Sodokpam on 11th of November, had escaped from the orthopedic ward of Jennings this early morning. According to police, Nando was admitted to the security ward of Jennings on 26th of November last year after he suffered from spondylolisthesis and later shifted to male orthopedic ward after undergoing an operation. This early morning at around 3:30, security guards on duty found out that he had escaped from his hospital bed number 9. On receiving the news of his escape, a team of Imphal East District Police rushed to Jennings and searched the entire hospital. Further, SP of Imphal East along with DGP of Manipur Police and other high-ranking officials arrived at the scene for investigation. The Porompat police station has started an investigation regarding the matter. It is worth mentioning that 4 personnel of Imphal East Reserved Line along with another personnel from Sajiva jail were on duty when Nando escaped. So it is of concern that how did he manage to escape. It is also worth recalling that one of the big names of Maoist Manipur Party of Manipur, Sapamcha Kangleipak, also escaped from the security ward of Jennings earlier, including the leader of the proscribed group KCP, Sunil Meitei. Sunil Meitei ran away from the lockup of Imphal East Police Station. Manipur House at Kishangarh in New Delhi is providing accommodation and other basic requirements to every Manipuri who are visiting the nation's capital for the purpose of medical treatment in hospitals out there. And many are drawing the attentions of the state government over the noble contributions of Manipur House. Here's a report.
It is said that the human life goes along with happiness and sorrows side by side. And during the time of illness, one looks out for his near and dear ones. The rate of illnesses is increasing day by day in the state. At such, lucky are those who could get a proper treatment and become healthy again. However, there are some who have to sell their land and properties to get their treatment outside the state. In such circumstances, they often experience so many hardships and inconveniences like communication gap, along with issues relating to lodging and fooding. Considering these problems, a group of 4 friends from Manipur currently working in Delhi form a united living trust under which Manipur House was established, and it has been providing accommodation and meals at affordable rate along with rendering transportation service to every Manipuri who come to Delhi for the purpose of medical treatment since the past 1 year. Apart from these services, it also helps in connecting with different hospitals in Delhi in booking a hospital bed and finding an attendant as well. Due to the fact that only Manipuri are residing at Manipur House, the patients never get homesick. Some of the patients who are getting their treatment in different hospitals of the capital express their happiness and gratitude on the selfless and priceless service of the United Living Trust.
Tamoga la ko asida bu kamai lei du na sauning bam po eva adu gadi sanga kan lip su yaw de ya ko han ta bun de lei ba lip su yaw de kamai lei du ha kan lei ga kan de da ma nu ngai de ta na ha de lei de tamo na re ai ki check up jog du ngai da tamo ge mu ka lak chal le la ko se gi nu ngai ta de ka su lei te samin thang na ba mayam lei ko ko loi ne bu nu ngai
ho gi ba February March da 40s, Masanta Kunj 40s New Delhi is the heart key, lying black, lying kibani, Ado Hojikchi, ai hauiba to ki tang kun ma dui hi dai check up with them lakpani ado handak lakpo matang hi de mai to tuna ai khoi gi locality adai de gi inau sing amana sigi mafamji passenger kun si de sida ai khoi gi yum de gi telephonic talk to dana booking to jere erga ai tang kun ma dui de mafam sida lakpani
na ba ma yeng bala sabda Manipur house na ma theme yam nungai he mayam si lengbi buda masida thumbiyo leibasu nungai leibam sabam mising masing loina phangi masida mayam na sida thumbi bade yam nungai gani
ai aksi malom da haida yam na laibak thiba du pe bat punsini ai gi ipu re su lai khidre ai gi isa su lai khidre ai gi haibadana atatai habe se kana su lai khide matam sida tv da hapakhi noma khabar da hapakhi bada ai ha isa mona thengna ki matam du da khangong da ai imite ipita ki bon mero transplant to boi damakta ai ha chi me thada aims da ai gi appointment pire pibes da ai ha ki haidana kana su lai jada bani na moi da gi mateng lorage habe se ai gi pung da sap yung na puning da ai aset pa thajaba magaloina na ai delhi da sakhi satpa matam da ai uk na bai damakta pa mogi facility ai mon da piki adu ai isa singa loina raga sakhi satpa matam da ai ha che adu ki matik manipur house ta moina ai bu adu ki matik cooperation pibi rakhi ai na aims ta emit tor le ram matung da ai e bottle tara tu darkar oi ki oi ba matam da ai ha ki e se pin na ba lai ta matam da moina ai e phau pi ba lakhi.
On the other hand, founder member of the trust, Lekoi Bahai Kruzum, said several hardships for shelter and various problems faced by the Manipuri people who come for medical treatment in the capital have been witnessed by the trust. Besides, many problems also faced by the Manipuri due to communication gap with the mainland Indians. After conducting a survey in various hospitals located in and around the city, along with 3 other persons staying in Delhi, the United Living Trust has been established, he added.
Koi sahi lisang sitna Delhi is the later posta matam gi koi angamba sing activities in mayam ta kana gadaba samaj ta student society ta kana gadaba activities in tawtun lai
patients indugi moi gi wakhalon da ju Manipur government kitang mateng pangbiraga di yam nungai gi dong ne haiba haiji anaba patient khuding na koi da thambirami aduna ngasi di koi ju feel tawi aduna koi gi United Living Trust ki mai ke degi Manipur house bu kitang Manipur government na mateng pangbiyu kitang yengjan biyu akoi punna samin.
After the headquarters of several militant groups of northeast region including NSCNK in Myanmar were taken over by the Myanmar armies during the ongoing search operation, reportedly many cadres and leaders of different militant groups of northeast states including NSCNK were put up at house arrest by the Myanmar army. Some of the 20 militants who are under house arrest by the army belong to NSCNK, NDFBS and KNO. One cadre of Manipur-based band outfit PLA along with 5 cadres of UNLF, another 7 belonging to KYKL, 5 from Tripak Pro, 5 from ULFAI and 7 NSCNK cadres were reportedly dead during the ongoing search operation conducted in Sengang division of Myanmar. Locals of Thangmaiban Hijam Laikai staged a sit-in demonstration against the act of threatening and panicking the public by an inspector of Imphal East Narcotics Cell with his service gun last night. The involved person has been identified as Ningthaujam Ibo Chauba alias Devdas from Kairan Phaibi Manning Laikai, and it is learned that he started to misbehave at the Yaosheng sports venue under intoxication, and after being reprimanded by the locals, he was handed over to police station. For the upcoming 17th Lok Sabha election, NEIDP candidate for Inner Parliamentary Constituency R.K. Anand today filed his nomination papers to the Imphal West DC office along with other formalities to the returning officer. R.K. Anand was accompanied by other leaders of NEIDP, including State Party President N.G. Bijoy and ex-MLA E. Chand. Later, R.K. Anand told media persons that if he wins the election, he will focus on not to pass CAB in the state and other various developmental works.
Regional party needs us, I would say. Regional party, this is the call of the hour. Manipur, Northeast, survival is threatened. It is not the national party that is going to address this issue. ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯜꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯀꯟꯈꯠꯍꯟꯕ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ alone will protect the interest of the Northeast, especially in Manipur haiba tai akhoi sigi wafamsini.
13 members of media exposure team who went to Malaysia and Singapore on 20th of this month has arrived in Imphal after completing the tour. The tour was organized annually by Editors Guilds Manipur under the Look East policy. The media exposure team was led by General Secretary of EGM Yumnam Rupachandra. The team visited Petronas Twin Towers at Kuala Lumpur and Forest City in Malaysia and Sentosa Marina Bay, Universal Studios, Sentosa Aquarium and Asian Civilization Museum in Singapore. Salai Tours and Travels Private Limited also extended help at the exposure tour. Talking to Tom TV News, retired Deputy Director of DIPR N.K. Rishna Kumar Singh, who also took part in the tour, said that the annual foreign exposure tour organized by Editors Guild Manipur is a good initiative. The tour to Malaysia and Singapore was a huge success. He added that they were able to witness the work culture of these two countries along with meeting people from different walks of life and hard-working people.
Editors Guild Manipur Sinduna Singapore tadi ahambada kan satba koi di Malaysia gi Forest City sang matung lagi thora koi na kanoda Singapore dam ka ba gi apun bukongsen si kane en khali maram di hojiki Forest City sigi develop ta ori ma map si koi sami nari ma member kudung uen ure aduga koi gi lambi thong aduga koi da develop ta ori ba mayam sin adu koi aktheng na ura ba gi sa ma phange loina na Singapore ki livelihood aduga makoi gi support bagi new bagi support bagi quality sa masi koi na sabsana ubo phanga pa si koi salu tambi khai yan.
Governor of Manipur Najma Heptullah today visited Children's Home at Dulaland and Tabitha Children's Home at Mantipukri. The governor interacted with the children of two children's homes during her visit. We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Hello, good morning, sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
Lamjingba Motor na miyam da kana ba piri basing se kari no.
Khudong chaba kaya ma pizari. Aikoina phanganjari ba products sing di trucks, tippers, haulage, bus, amasung genset ni. Documents ichang dana adomi sale amadi matamang handana loan gi khudong chaba pizari. HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance amadi Shriram Finance kasu khutsamna na junction minari. Matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba. Aikoi gi sport servicing van adongi damakta matampung badalai jari. Bus sing yon badanatana school, college, universities, office ki dama contract basis da lobi bagi khudong chaba su thamjari. Amadi genuine lay parts sing su pangdigani. Adongi mai pakpana aikoi gi mai pakpana.
Welcome back. As a part of the security measures taken up by the Imphal West Police Station for the upcoming Lok Sabha election, police conducted combing operation along the Pauna Kaithel Road, Masjid Road, BT Road, Kakulong Road around Polo Ground, Maning MPP office under City Police. 470 people were checked for verification, where 19 people were detained by the police for further verification. HQ 10 Sector Assam Rifles today commemorated the Battle of Imphal on the occasion of Platinum Jubilee celebration of the Battle of Sangshak, which is a part of Battle of Imphal. The commemoration kicked off with a motorcycle rally, which was flagged off by officiated DIG of 10 Sector AR Colonel Paramjit Singh Sena Mandal from TNL ground of Ukhrul this morning. Colonel Paramjit was also one of the bikers who took part in the commemoration rally. About 100 bikers including AR personnel and civilians took part in rally which covered about 100 kilometers around Ukhrul and Sangshak War Memorial. The rally converged at Sangshak War Memorial where Jawans laid wreath at the memorial and gave guard of honor to the brave soldiers who laid down their lives during the Battle of Sangshak. Son of 21C 153 Independent Para B and Anthony Stewart, DIG of 10 Sector AR SM Colonel Paramjit Singh, Commandant of 17 AR Colonel Rishi Dubey, Officers of 10 Sector AR and 17 AR, Secretary of WWII Imphal Campaign Forum, Arambam Angamba, Officers of 4 Marathi Light Infantry, veteran soldiers and village headmen attended the wreath-laying ceremony. As part of the commemoration, SM Colonel Paramjit Singh presented gifts to the attending veteran soldiers. A team of Moreh police and CDO Moreh apprehended a person with 1,152 beer cans worth about rupees 1,15,200 from Myanmar during a raid at godowns around Moreh Ward number 4 last night. The person was identified as Muhammad Ithecha, aged 32, son of late MD Sher Muhammad from Shetri Awang Lekai of Imphal East, presently residing at Moreh Muslim Basti Ward number 5. The person was handed over to Excise Department along with the seized products. Narcotic Control Bureau Imphal today organized the 66th Indo-Myanmar Field Level Officer Meeting on Drug Control at the Conference Hall of 43 Assam Rifles Battalion. Many Indian officials along with 7 official delegates from Tammu, Myanmar attended the meeting. No information can be gathered from the meeting since it was a closed-door meeting. Kuraijam Rebecca, a leader of Hindi Primary Teachers and Primary Teachers Applicants Association, has said that they won't accept the order of the government which was taken on the contrary of the cabinet meeting held on 7th of this month, in which the meeting decided to allow and relax those persons who have not cleared diet and B.Ed for one time. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, she further said, the association will launch many forms of agitation if the government fails to revoke the order issued at the earliest.
NCT ki norm se asise akoi di apply tawbiganu akoi dain hana study haija ki bani ado ya birak padu da hararu bani adu hari bo order thol ko matam sadi cabinet ki order da di akoi da ya bagi dugum ba order ma sungyaw yawram dreba hana gi dum ya da bi order do oina dum tawbiram ba adu masi de akoi applicant kambu singna akoi suya ya bangam zeroi dain hana study akoi na akoi gi nupa oigera ipa oigera ima oigera makoina siba matamduda akoini apply to matamduda satnari badu rule do satnagadabani haibasi mayek na rule de idana laireba hariba rule do akodi apply to yu haijabani ba koina haibati adu moina 2007 da 2017 gi ngarang na handal lakba NCT gi norm se asije akodi apply toxin bi re aduna huji sahi 50 above helaba mapale ki drabagi magi thabak to mana changna na ba na mana tawjari bado huji masamak suma sahi 50 above helaba mayam yauri ba makoina huji amuk dai tamdana leidana BA tamdana lei matamda moisi matam loi mangani aduga suppose moi huji thabak se phange na khala se ba ko only 2 3 4 5 years tak ngai re moi thabak tawdi se aduna si mayam si khanbiraga akoina khana naha oida akoidi tawduna ngai ragi sahi manga mari manga ngai ragi akoi yai ba naha khara oiba singdi ahal oiba singdi kamain tawduri ge sigi problem se khanbiraga gamena amtang jinong sibidana akoi mayam gi PT member kangbu sing se akoi ge one time relaxation diet and B.Ed se B.Ed yaw de only primary gi diet khatani diet se relax tawbiyu.
A combined team of Senapati District, NAP and Narcotic Control Bureau destroyed around 37 acres of poppy plantation along Marang Parlel Road of Senapati District. The plantation was estimated to produce around 200 kgs of opium. With the Lok Sabha election is closer day by day, many politicians are joining new political parties, leaving their respective parties. 7 members, including workers of Churachandpur BJP Mandal, have resigned from the primary membership. They allegedly left the party due to the discrimination in choosing the district council chairman, it is reported. 5 shops at the second main gate of CRPF Langjing under Patsoi police station were burnt down last night around 11:30 p.m. Properties were damaged in the fire. We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
lamjingba jewelry na adomgidama khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari aikhoigi service singdi inat ki oiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari sana asamal khwaidagi nemna logzari nomaizing numitsu adomgi service ta leizari Ngasimak Lengsin Birau, Lamjingba Jewelry Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamjingbaJewelry@gmail.com. Website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764-29-34425 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. India's lunar mission Chandrayaan-2, scheduled to launch next month, will carry NASA's laser instruments that allowed scientists to make precise measurements of the distance to the moon, according to US Space Agency officials. During the Lunar and Planetary Science Conference held at Texas, US last week, NASA confirmed that Chandrayaan-2 and Israeli lander Bereshit, due to touchdown April 11, will each carry NASA-owned laser retroreflector arrays. We are trying to populate the entire surface with as many laser reflector arrays as we can possibly get there, Lori Glaze, acting director of the Planetary Science Division of NASA's Science Mission Directorate, was reported as saying by Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts NERC Guwahati Regional Director Richa Negi, along with filmmaker Bappa Ray and a cinematographer, were allegedly humiliated by security personnel at Naharlagun in Arunachal Pradesh on Monday. The incident took place while Negi, Ray and the cinematographer were on the way to the hotel after attending a festival of films at the Rajiv Gandhi University here. Negi said that they were stopped by the police and CRPF personnel. We were asked by the policemen from where we were coming and the purpose, which was fair enough till then. Suddenly, they demanded papers from Ray very rudely. One of them jerked open the dashboard and roughly clutched the papers of the vehicle. They pulled the driver and one of them hit him 4-5 times with a bamboo baton. Capital SP Tume Amos said that he has directed all security personnel to be gentle and any seizure or enforcement of any law or model code of conduct shall not be at the cost of public convenience. The incident happened during the checking under MCC by the SST in the presence of a magistrate. The Jammu and Kashmir High Court on Monday issued notice to the Ministry of Home Affairs seeking response to petition challenging the ban on Jamaat-e-Islami Jammu and Kashmir. Jamaat-e-Islami is a socio-religious political organization active in Jammu and Kashmir. The Kashmir branch broke away from Jamaat-e-Islami Hind and was founded in 1953. On February 28, the center declared the group an unlawful association for 5 years. After a day of intense cross-border fighting, Palestinian officials said Egypt had meditated and truce late on Monday. The respite didn't last long. However, Gaza militants fired rockets in southern Israel and Israeli aircrafts carried out strikes in the Hamas-ruled territory overnight today. There were no immediate reports of casualties. Israel remained on high alert, with schools near the border kept closed and residents instructed to stay near bomb shelters. Now the top stories once again. Commander of KCP Nando Group, T.H. Nando, escapes from Jennings Hospital. Manipur House in New Delhi playing a big role in helping patients from Manipur. Myanmar army continued to evacuate militants of northeast from Myanmar. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ